Hello class, today before we take our benchmark, we're going to review ratios and proportions. Let's get started. Write 3 different ways to show ratios and proportions of 8 lions to 15 vultures in an African savanna. Well, one way we can write it is the same way that it's written here, 2. Since 8 lions comes first, we write that first, followed by the word 2, and then 15 vultures. The other way to write that is with this semicolon here, which is at period over a period. The final way you can write it is as a fraction. There's 2 ways it can look as a fraction. One on your computer is going to be with the forward slash like this, which is the same button as the question mark, or you can write it stacked if we're doing it by hand of 8 on top because it came first and 15 on the bottom. Let's try this with marbles. Directions. Imagine the marbles below, answer the question. So we can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 marbles, and they're all of different colors. The first thing I want you to take the number of red marbles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red marbles. 2 green marbles, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to use the colon this time, but it doesn't matter. I could have used the fraction bar or the word 2. Let's see if we're right. 5 to 3. Yeah, all right. Let's try another one. What is the number of green to the total number? It says pets. We mean marbles. Let's just change that to marbles. So green again. 1, 2, 3, 3 green. How many total do you remember? I think it was 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3 to 13. And again, you can put a dot, you can put the forward slash, or you could write 2, T-O. Let's see what the answer is. Yep, 3 to 13, 3 to 13, 3 to 13. Last one. It says, what is the ratio of red and black? So we have to add red and black. So red is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus black, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It says 6 here. It needs to be an 8. 2 green and yellow. So green plus yellow. Green is 1, 2, 3, plus yellow is 4, 5. Green to yellow is 5. So I'm guessing the answer back here is red. That should be 8 to 5. And remember, you can write it with a colon or the word 2 or a fraction. Last one. Let's try some cross multiplication. Here we have 7/18 or 7 over 18 is equal to 8 over 108. When we say cross multiply, remember, we're not talking straight across, we're talking diagonal. So if I want to make a diagonal here and I have a 7, that's 7 times 108. I'll write it back here. 7 and 108. And 18 times a, so I'll put 18 here because you do the diagonals both ways. Ooh, that was way off. Times a. All right, so then in the next line, what happens when you take 18 times a? You get 18 and the a right next to it. And what happens when you take 7 times 108? Please put that into your calculator. Let me do that too. Yep, 756. Now we have to get a loon. So we got to move the 18 to both sides. The opposite of times, these two are tight. 18 and a are tight. We multiplied. So we need to divide both sides by 18. So I'm going to divide it here. This is a fraction bar. This is a division bar. And what we do to one side, we must do to the other. So right, we're going to divide by 18. Please make sure that you have on this line the same number. Then this cancels, this 18 cancels, so a comes down, and 756 divided by 18 is 42. So our answer is A equals 42. In other words, if this number, that was weird. A equals 42. That means that 42 here over 18, 42 over 108. I'm sorry, not 18. This last one, you can try on your own. Remember to cross multiply first. So 21 times 154 goes here. 21, 154. You can put these numbers over on the other side. I just always like the letters on the left and the numbers on the right. And W went with 294. So you write 294. When these get together, they come down. So it's 294. And then you need to multiply these and put it here. But 294 is multiplied, so you got to divide it on both sides. I'm going to just get you this step. You still need to do this number. Divide by 294. Again, 294 cancels, so W comes down. And this answer is the answer to whatever this number is divided by 94. Give it a try. Have a good day.